So today we have an oblique triangle, and we're dealing with the cosine law or the law of cosine. Then, so specifically, this is all about the type of a problem which involves the three sides, the known three sides or the SSS. So we have the three sides, the 7 centimeter side C, the side B which is the 6 centimeter, and the side A which is 8 centimeter. So the problem is to get or to find the angle A or the cosine A. So first and foremost, you must have the formula. Okay. So you must have the formula for it. Okay. So the formula is okay. The formula is B squared plus C squared minus A squared all over 2 times B times the C or 2BC. So upon plug in or substituting, so it becomes 6 squared plus 7 squared minus 8 squared all over 2 times 6 times 7. So we simplify. 6 squared is not 12 but 36. 7 squared is 49 and 8 squared is 64. So it's twice multiplying by itself. So 7 times 7, 8 times 8 giving you this answer all over 2 times 6 is 12 times 7 is 84. Then next you add, okay, 36 plus 49 giving us 85 minus 64 is 21. Then all over 84. So upon dividing, it will give us the quotient of 0.25. But mind you guys that we don't have this type of answer or angle which is 0.25. So okay, we will use the inverse cosine. So inverse cosine or the cosine raised to negative 1. Then you plug in the quotient which is 0.25. So you will use the calculator. So cosine raised to negative 1 from 0.25. Okay, most possibly it is approaching 75.5 degrees. So your answer is 75.5 degrees. Alright, so that's it. That's how cosine law works in the three sides known or three sides given. Okay, so that's all. Thank you.